Hey guys, it's me, Super Gamer, and I'm showing you how you can edit your YouTube videos, or what you need, or what would be helpful to have. First of all, you will need YouTube Studio, or you can just search it up, but it'd be best to have it. And you will also need some kind of tool to edit. I use iMovie, which is this, and as you can see, both things I have used are already on there. You'll also need Safari and Google, Safari or Google, or some kind of search engine. This way that you can get good off of it. You also need something like notes so you can draw stuff. And after I've edited it on iMovie, we save it to my photos, and then if need be, I edit it on my photos, because you can do that. Right, look, edit all of this. Right. So if need be, I do that. And then after I do that, I publish it. Bye.